What's going on, guys? Your boy Mark. So in this video I forgot to make an intro, so this is gonna be the intro. So this is like a couple days after we've been working on the car, but in this video you guys are gonna see Eric just bought a new car, another project car, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Might be a little short and sweet, but this is what we've been doing so far. That's why I haven't been uploading. But yeah, this is the video of just me, Tony, Eric, basically working on his car, and Isaac's there too. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my truck. I've been had it, but I don't really drive it, but I do now. I'm starting to drive it now often. This is my new daily. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so Eric just got a new car and we're towing it. I gotta slam the brakes real quick. And we're he got the previous owner got us following us. And yep, this is like what it is, but he finally got a 5.0. His dream. We got it ratchet strapped. But yeah, we're towing it to his house now, but pretty clean. But there's a lot of damage, so we're gonna get that done. So yep, we're about almost to his house. It says it has 74,000, but we don't know. But maybe it is, maybe it's not. But as long as he got the 5.0, his dream car, Eric's dream car. But yeah, they got us following us just in case. We got the hazards on. We ratchet strapped it, and yeah, we're taking off start taking off apart. We already got the hood off. I got one side, he got one side, and he's supporting. Time to take off the fenders and everything off, huh?
Yeah. Oh, there's screws here.
Yeah, this is gonna be like an 8.
Yeah.
8s. This should be my. Yeah, keep these.
Throw them away?
No, keep them. Start taking off the fenders. We want to go to the bathroom real quick, so I'm gonna start taking these off. I'm gonna take off the fender, try and get this clear so we can start it and see if it even runs or whatnot. I'm sure it does, but let's see. All right, so we just got the screws off of this one. Let me see. Oh, well, I can't move it, but we just got this fender off. Now we just gotta take off the antenna. We're getting there. We're getting there, huh?
I mean, I can start it right now.
No. We gotta take this off first because it's hitting something here. By the way, there's no radiator, but we're gonna still turn it on. Just to know if it works. So, what'd you say?
Oh, I was telling him that this piece is so straight right here.
Yeah, this place is
But
scoot over.
let me see this camera. Look, so this piece is still straight, and all we gotta do is just replace this entire thing right here.
Yeah. Oh, and then he just took off the fender. There it is. There used to be a bee nest.
Oh damn.
There used to be a bee nest.
Wake up.
So he's gonna keep the 5.0 badge, and he already got this side off. We're gonna get this side off next. We're gonna take off this. There's a screw that's right there, and there's a bolt, and we gotta take off right here next to the little guard thing. There you go. Ran into a predicament. Show us show us what's going on.
Oh, look at this, right?
Yeah. So we realized there's like one bolt there. You can see. There's a bolt there. I was telling him we should just rip it off. Where's it at? Let me see. Right there. I forget where else. Where was it?
Let me see.
Oh, and then right there. And right there.
Oh, it's connected to this right here. Oh, hey. Hold up. Let me see that.
Oh, yeah, right there.
It's connected right there.
Let's take off right there.
I don't need all this.
We're thinking about just taking. Oh my god. See, we're thinking about taking this off and then just pulling it off forward.
Let me see that real quick.
But we still have to take that off either way.
That's what I'm saying. I need to take that off regardless.
Hold off, woman.
What?
We gotta take that off.
No, it's just tiny.
What size is that? That's an 8. That's an 8. No attachments. Stock. It's stock. Oh, almost fell. You can reach right here. Wait, no, you can't. Yeah, you can't. Right
Copyright, copyright.
Oh, copyright. Someone's playing music. Right here. You get it right here.
Too late, I'm already over here.
Oh my God, it's right here.
Oh my God, this is that bent?
Yeah, it's so fun. No, it's not.
That's your frame, buddy.
Bumper.
Faster! 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 My goodness.
Louder.
Louder.
Where's that work plan?
What are you talking about?
Man, he even break sweat yet.
We working here for free. We working here for free.
Unpaid that loud. What is it?
Unpaid labor. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Oh, you got it?
Oh, I can bench press this.
Bench press it.
Watch out!
Oh, oh my God, I almost died.
Hey, watch out with the bag.
Oh, watch out with the red one.
Huh?
You good? Down. Oh! Yeah, watch out! Yeah, watch out with the badge. We're gonna reuse the 5-0 badges, huh?
Yeah, no, that's trash, but I'm gonna use the 5-0 badges. Man,
Yeah.
what's all these bugs?
Oh, look at the new bumper. Where'd you find it at?
Where's the flash water?
I pull, you pick. I think you pick.
You mean,
Is there new water though?
no gun.
I got cold ones.
He's gonna start it real quick and then turn it right off, and it's rubbing on the. It's rubbing on something. So neutral. We're just gonna start it real quick and then turn it off, just to see if it's. No power?
Power.
Hey, take the battery off that one.
I can charge it?
No, take the battery off that one.
Take it off.
Oh, we got it to a low battery. See, maybe is this bad? Oh,
Watch out.
hey, hold it. Did you get power?
Is that power? Oh, it's got power.
All right, turn that bitch on. Crank that son bitch. Crank that soldier boy.
Ready?
Yeah.
Give it a minute.
Yeah. Oh my god. Hey. It does run. It does run. It does run. It does crank. I mean,
The windows work?
the windows work now. Dang.
Down 2 headers next.
No. Yes. A lot of work to be done, but I think we should be able to handle. Quarter panel's messed up. It's on the other side, but yeah. I'm gonna try it.
Is it charged? Is it charged?
Yeah. It's half battery, half life. It's at 11 volts. What is it supposed to be at 12? It's 11.9. He should be fine now. Yeah. Give it gas. We took off that battery, and we're gonna put it on this battery
Where's the other line?
or this car. What happened? What happened?
Oh, wait, which one goes on first? Black?
Black. Black on black right here. Don't matter which one goes first, but
Are you sure?
yeah. Phoenix.
Oh, that's full.
Yeah. Okay. I heard it click.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sounds good, better.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is it getting spark to the...
It's, you know what? I think that's what it is. I don't think it's getting enough spark. So what happened was it's not starting, so we gotta take off the seat just like the red one. Oh my goodness. We're gonna take off the seat to check the relay because it's not getting any fuel, just like the red one. Just like the red one. So we're gonna see. There goes the seat.
I saw that gun.
Oh, oh no! I thought that was the fuel relay. But that's the seat.
There's a relay down there.
No, the gray one.
Huh?
The gray one.
There's another one under it. To the right.
No, I know. I thought that was like unplugged or whatever.
Oh.
But we got down to see. We're gonna clean all that glass.
Man, get the fuck away.
Hey, wait. Can you hear it prime like the gas, like the ee? Wait, do it again. Yeah, take out the key and do it again. What? Listen. Go.
No power.
Oh, you need to connect the battery. So I don't know if you guys know, but this is like day after. I don't know, but we're back. Day two. It's been like 2 weeks after. But this is. We're straightening it out with the tree.
You guys don't want to race me?
Hey. We're gonna do a thumbnail real quick. When's that gonna be you?
Right now?
Yeah, go. What you gotta say to the YouTube?
Turbo.
It turned red.
Okay, look-y hurt.
What's that? Trying to get this John straight out. No, well, the other video, the last video. But look, oh, it's looking more straight now. After that, fitting a radiator, fan, windshield, bumpers, fenders. It's good to go, huh? And there's like a lot of like hoses that are missing. But yeah.
Hey, record Tony, bro.
Who's Tony? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Nope.
Let me see.
Nope.
It's on camera, bro.
Hey, he's a horse, huh? Oh, we do it.
He's the one that showed you the picture.
Nope.
I might have pissed on the mattress.
But yeah, this is where we're going. And what you gotta say?
Hey, who wants to catch me out for a G8 for that red Fox over there? Hey, 50K miles, all clean. Let me know. G8.
Hey.
The manual one though, not the auto.
You want the GXP?
For a daily, I can take all of them.
Get shocked real quick.
It's fire, huh?
Nah, it's not fire. It's not fire.
Ready? Go like this. Turn your elbow. Turn your elbow. Why?
Like this.
Okay. Ready? Ready?
Put it on the forearm.
Let me see your finger. Oh, you already did it.
No, I ain't doing it.
Yeah.
The dog is loose. Oh shit.
Starts up now. It sounds good. We added water and we finally fixed the fuel problem. Mm-hmm. You know, you gonna do it again? Just gonna try and move it, see if the transmission is good or not. Oh, it moves. Alright, so we come to a realization that this motor is pushed a lot to the left. Not only that, but the frame is messed up. So the frame it's like elbowed in, so it goes straight and then it cuts out. And this side we try and get it straight as possible. The frame is right here. It was all the way pushed in, so we pulled it out and we tried to get it straight, but what Isaac said is even if we get this straight, I don't know if the holes will line up for like the fenders and or like the headlights, because it looks so bad right here. So what Eric's thinking is maybe getting another shell but swapping over the motor and the transmission.
Scraping low.
But yeah, that's like almost unsavable. And then the quarter panel's messed up. So, yeah. So what he's thinking is getting a notch shell and swapping it over to a new Foxbody. Show me what you guys say. Oh, it's going. And then there's Eric's other Foxbody. Car coming.
Damn.
It's probably like, what the hell? Oh,
It's raining.
it is raining. Motor's exposed. Oh. But yeah, look. It's like all messed up in the front. This is the best side. And look at that. It just goes in like this. It's just basically kind of unsavable. Unless we go tube front, but if we're gonna go tube front, we're gonna have to pull the engine out. And if we're gonna pull the engine out, we might as well just get a whole new shell. We might as well just get a whole new shell. But it runs. It doesn't tick. It has oil. It has no radiator, but it still runs. Transmission is good. You know, everything's good on it. It's just the shell is just messed up. So we're probably gonna think about getting a new shell.
No, I was saying it was cracked right there too.
Yeah. Also, the frame is cracked right there, and then right here. Where'd it go? Oh, right there. Yep. Yeah, that's gonna be a big job, but I think it's better to just get a new shell, huh?
Hey, y'all want to do a burnout? Hey, you gotta smoke.
There you go. Hey, go more back. It's not gonna close. Right there.
Is it enough to close it? It's not enough to close it.
It is, no?
Shit.
But this is where it's gonna be sitting at for now until he gets a new shell, huh?
Yeah.
And then soon it's gonna be completed, just sitting right there.
That's bad. You probably need the keys, huh?
So this is the end of the video
6 months from now.
Today.
of today. I already have clips of the other last time we were here. When he got it.
Hey, come on.
What you gotta say?
Hey, this ain't gonna close. Man, soon. I don't want to touch it because last time I touched it,
What you gotta say?
hot.
Foxbody.
America. Hey, the clutch feels so nice on it though.
Huh?
The clutch feels extremely good. I'm telling you, bro, we get rid of this shell. But we look at the other one, and you have a notch that you could potentially sell for 20K. I gotta make sure it's good though. I can't just.
iPhone cases.
How much?
We make iPhone driver's nice cases.
I don't have one.
Oh,
I don't have one.
Huh?
Hey.
Hubbin?
No.
Hey, mic check without no mic. You gotta do that.
Ah, you're right.
With no mic. Say bye. Say like, subscribe, whatever.
Like, subscribe to Diverse Nights. We out.
Hey.